So, what happens when technology doesn't work as it should? Let's take an in-depth look at a major incident that occurred within one of Tesla's expansive factories. Reportedly, a significant malfunction occurred that managed to disrupt the operations of this automotive industry giant. Sounds like another day at the office, doesn't it? Unfortunately, what transpired was far from ordinary. It took a turn for the catastrophic with a robot, designed for precision, malfunctioning and causing an accident involving a worker. The result? Severe lacerations on the worker's arm and back. This alarming incident of human versus technology poses the question, is Tesla's health and safety measures truly up to par? However, this disturbing incident was just the latest breadcrumb along a dark trail of work-related controversies that had plagued Elon Musk's automotive empire. Tesla, once heralded for its technological prowess, now finds itself embroiled in a labor dispute in Sweden, refusing to sign a collective bargaining agreement. This tension between management and labor is a stark reminder of the persistent issues within the company. Compounding these troubles is a federal lawsuit accusing Tesla of discrimination against black employees at its Fremont factory. The tragic death of a contractor due to heat stroke at a Tesla site adds yet another disconcerting layer to the narrative. Marcy Goldstein-Gelb, co-executive director of the National Council for Occupational Safety and Health, rightly pointed out Tesla's history of apparent negligence towards their workers. These incidents paint a damning picture of the workplace environment within the company, fueling concerns about systemic issues. As the public grapples with the shocking revelation of a robot attack, the incident serves as a stark reminder of the broader issues plaguing Tesla's workplaces. This unsettling event has ignited a firestorm of public debate, with many questioning the company's commitment to worker safety and rights. The ripple effect of this controversy has been far-reaching, tainting the company's reputation and casting a long shadow over its future. In the midst of this turmoil, Tesla finds itself at a crucial crossroad. It faces a choice between maintaining its current course or taking decisive action to address these concerns. Will Tesla recalibrate its approach and prioritize the safety of its human workforce? Or will the shadows of controversy continue to loom over Elon Musk's empire?